Hey, Divine One, I want to share an important message about how you can accelerate the process of having the reality of your dreams in the here and now. Most people simply think the thoughts and say the affirmations, and then they go back to being the same person that they were. But in order to create a new reality, you also have to be the person that fits into that new reality. If you're trying to be a millionaire, you can't enter into this new life with the same mindset that you had when you were suffering financially. If you're trying to create amazing health and strengthen your body, you can't enter into that new reality with the same mindset that you had when you were physically suffering. If you are trying to create and cultivate healthy, conscious relationships, you can't enter into them and create them with the same mindset you had when you were repeating the same toxic cycles. In order for you to step into a new reality, you have to shift the reality of your internal system, of your conscious mind. And you do that with daily mindful meditation, where you're mentally rehearsing the life of your dreams over and over again to the point where you feel it in your body. It's where you make a conscious commitment to act as if that life was already yours before it happens. And it means walking in faith every single day without a shadow of a doubt that it is happening for you. And every time those thoughts get in the way and try to remind you of who you used to be, you stop them in your tracks and you say, no, I commit to be the person that fits into this life. And in that moment, you regulate your body and your nervous system. You come back to heart center and you start to become the person in that life. And one day you're going to open your eyes and every single dream and desire in your heart will be a part of your conscious waking reality. My life is living proof of this. I walk clients through this process every single day, and I am envisioning you there in your dream life with everything you've desired in your reach. I see miracles happening for you. It's time to make the commitment to be the person who's living that life. As always, breathe deep and plan on miracles. I know you can do this.